We learn about Musa alayhi salam. He made dua. He said, Rabbi inni zalamtu nafsi faghfir li. My Lord, I have wronged myself, so forgive me. He made this dua when he accidentally killed a man. Can you imagine? You go to help someone and you accidentally killed someone? Can you imagine how heavy that must have been on the heart of Musa alayhi salam? Anytime you end up accidentally hurting someone, even verbally, this is heavy on your heart. If you end up hurting someone physically or financially, unintentionally, you didn't mean to, damage someone's property, but you accidentally did it. For example, you park right next to someone and the wind is blowing very fast and your door swings open and it hits the door of the car next to you. And imagine if this happens in the masjid parking lot. I remember this happened with me once. I was in the parking lot and I came to the car and there was a note on my windshield that please call me. I accidentally damaged your car. And I couldn't figure out what had happened. And as I was looking, a man walked up and in fact it was a teenager, a young kid, and he came and he said that I accidentally damaged the side of your car. So please, if there's anything I can do, let me know. This was so honest of him. So honest, mashallah. And this is very rare. Very rare. Typically what happens, if we accidentally damage someone's property, then we say, go, run, hide quickly. Let's go as soon as possible before they find out. Because if they find out, we're going to get caught and then we're going to have to pay for it. Well, if we don't pay for it today, then we'll have to pay for it on the Day of Judgment with our good deeds. Someone who is sincere to Allah, someone who is sincere to people, for them, any wrong that they do to others is heavy, heavy on their heart. So, the first thing we need to do, seek forgiveness from Allah. And that is what Musa alayhi salam did. Rabbi inni zalamtu nafsi. Musa alayhi salam didn't blame the other person, that he was a weakling. Or, yes, it was his fault, he deserved it. He was fighting someone from the Bani Israel. He was fighting someone from my people. He deserved this. Musa alayhi salam did not justify his wrong. He did not blame anyone else. He took full responsibility and he said, Inni zalamtu nafsi. I wronged myself, so oh my Lord, forgive me. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, فَغَفَرَ لَهُ. Allah forgave him. Allah forgave him. So this is the humility with which we should seek forgiveness from Allah.